Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha-Golf with Nancy. So it's Christmas time and we love decorating cookies and everything, the sugar cookies, and all kinds of other fun stuff. And so went to the store and you can buy the crystals and everything, sugar crystals to decorate and everything. And I was like, why buy it when you can make it at home? Let me show you how. So it's just really simple. Alright, we got one bowl here. And then that way you can make as much as you want, as little as you want. So I'll put 2 tablespoons of sugar there. I'm going to do another one, 2 tablespoons. That way it's an even amount. You got food coloring? That's all it is. That's all it is. It's food coloring. And you can make whatever colors you want. But we happen to have red and green. So, one bowl. It's going to be red. So I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do an even number. And take the rest over here. And then stir, stir, stir. So if you want it darker, you put it as dark as you want. So more than 8 drops for the red. I think this is cool. It's getting there. The more I stir it, because it had a lot more drops in it. And there you go. There is your red dust. Sugar dust that you buy in the store. Alright. And then same for the green. So it would kind of like learn from experience with the red. And we got the Watkins food coloring. Alrighty, so let's do this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. There we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, and then we have our green. Like I said, if you want a darker green, you just add more food coloring to it. And you set and let that dry for a little while, and then you've got your sprinkles. That's all it is. You can take, I don't think you can use Himalayan pink salt, but if you got like, maybe like sea salt, you can grind it up and then add this food coloring to that too. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to be made our own coloring, sugar coloring with cookies and everything. So we're going to have some fun. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha-Golf with Nancy.